guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I want to do a DIY, how to restore your Converse, I don't know what you call them, rubber shoes. Yes, how to restore them using hair dye. So I'm using this Noran black henna. So, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Definitely new. Thank you for watching, and like, share and comment. So let's do this. So I've improvised. I'm just using things that I have around me. I'm actually seated down, so don't mind me so much. Yes, I've cut like a water bottle, a drinking water bottle, to just use it for the mixing. And this is the product. Then I have a pair of scissors here and water, because this henna you just mix it with water, don't need the chemicals for it. So you can use an old toothbrush or a small brush, whichever way you like it. So let me get one. I also have to use this masking tape to tape around the sole, because you don't want the color to like spill over. So I forgot that to say that. So let me get the brush. So I'm gonna use one of my old toothbrushes that I don't even use it. I used to outline my hair edges, but today I'm gonna use it for this. So let's dive in. So then you cut out the excess, that side, cut it out. Yeah, the end of the plastic side or the rubber side. Yeah. Dye to spill over. So we put it aside for like a minute. Then so let's dive into the mixing of the dye. So I had already cut out this one, so I'm just gonna pour it in this container of mine. I didn't have gloves, guys, so, and a face mask. I think it's advisable because these are chemicals and you don't know what you're dealing with, so you use then you pour in some water. It has to be like a paste, guys, a thick paste. Let it not be too light because it will spill over easily. Sorry. Then you go in with your brush, try to mix it slowly. It's coming along, so you see that paste. So you add a little water just to make it a bit, just slightly light, like a light doesn't have to be extremely thick to make it easy to work with. Be very careful so that it doesn't rest on like touch your skin. Let it dry for a while, but not on dry direct sunlight, guys, just where there's enough air. For me, I've opened my windows, so I don't think even I'll need to take it outside. So let it dry for a while, then we remove the mask and then we see the final results. So let's wait. So let's remove tape. Wiped off the dirt. It had a bit of dirt inside, so just like remove that. So guys, sorry, this is how the shoe will look after it has dried. The heat now, and it has dried, so you have to wash it off. So I have my bucket, my basin here with some water. So let's go in. Let's clean. Then you let it dry in an a good air, what can I say, like air circulation, not direct sunlight, because sometimes sunlight is not good for these rubber shoes. Let's do the final look. So this is the final look, guys. So don't throw away your shoes, rubber shoes or Converses or Vans type of shoes because they're faded. Just improvise. So there you go. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in our next video. Bye bye.